I am Lavanya. Topic is management principles. Management means what a manager does, it is called management. In another meanings, management is the process of involving planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling human efforts to achieve the organizational objectives. There are three levels in management. First one top level, second one middle level, and last one lower level. Top level management is staff members or board of directors. Middle level is managers level, and the lower level is supervisory level. Top level management peoples are maybe board of directors, chairman, general manager, president, vice president, chief executive officer, chief financial officer, and chief operating officer. And second, middle level management, middle level organizations having a more department like marketing, HR, finance. Each department having one manager. That all managers are middle level management. Third one, supervisory level. Supervisory level or a low level supervisor, superintendent, foreman, section officer, clerk, sub department executive. All persons are low level management. Top level management having some responsible in organizations, that responsible is for controlling and overseeing entire organization. They are doing some works. First on determining objectives, framing policies and plans, organizing activities, assembling all the resources, and performance appraisals. Middle level management having some work, responsible for executing organizational plans and act as the intermediary between top level management to low level management. They are doing some work in organization, interpretation of policies and to low level, and organizing activities of development, recruitment and selection of employees, motivating people to perform to their best, controlling and instructing employees. The last level, low level workers, focus on controlling and directing, representing grievances of workers, good working conditions, safety of workers, helping middle level in recruitment and selection, welcoming suggestion of workers, maintaining quality standards, boosting the morale of workers. These work done by low level workers. Functions of management, there are five functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. The first one, planning. Without planning, the organizations do not create a profit. So planning is a main function of the organization. Planning means planning is deciding in advance what should be done in the futures. In another meanings, planning is a predetermined course of action for future activities. It is a primary function of other functions also. Planning is the process of thinking before doing. Planning is the determination of what is to be done. And there are four characteristics of planning. First one, goal oriented. Second, optimum use of resources. And third, intellectual activity. Fourth one, forward looking. And second one, organizing. Organizing means making an arrangement or grouping of activities. Organizing is the process of grouping of people and dividing work into different groups in a convenient manner, so that work is carried out as we planned. The whole work will be divided and allocating work to each group of people. Each work must be completed within a short period. Organizing means group of members join together to attain a goal. It is called organizing. These are organizing people's responsibilities, and there are four characteristics in organization. First one, goal oriented. Second, divide the total work into different parts. Delegation of authority and accountability, answerability. Uh, Next one, staffing. Staffing means the person or employed in a different job. A recruitment and selections. Staffing is the process of selecting a candidate for a particular positioning and fixing salary, providing training, development, promoting experienced employee, and transferring employees. Staffing is the important factor in selecting capable employees for company goal and objectives. Staffing is choosing the right person for the right job. It is called staffing. Okay, there are four characteristics in staffing. First one, recruitment and selection. Second, training, performance evaluation, promotion, transfer, demotions. Next, directing. Directing means to supervise or guiding the people done the employees. Directing means superior has a continuous responsibility of guiding and leading subordinate to do job in a better way. Direction is the key to the achievement of the desired result. It is a part of managerial function which helps to do work efficiently for achievement. There are five characteristics in directing. First one, instruction about work to guide employees, undertaking supervision, proper communication relationship, ability to motivate. And the next one, coordinating. Coordinating means all activities combined together to achieve the organizational goals. There are two characteristics: effective communications and proper use of hierarchy. Communication is important. The information passes to one person to another person. The top level taking planning and information passes to low level workers. Controlling to know whether the plan has successfully implemented and its goal has been achieved. Controlling is the process of taking corrective actions in case of failure and deviation of workers from their work and performance. Manager has to measure the performance of each employee. In case if manager find any failure or negative impact in the work, he has to motivate them in a correct way. Important aspect of scientific management: replacement of thumb rule method by a scientific one, scientific selection, placement, training and development of workers, harmonious relationship between the workers and management, cooperation between workers and management and between workers, maximum and not restricted output. The difference between management and administration. Administration is the process of administering an organization by a group of people. Management is the things of a business. Organization is the organized way of managing people. Uh, Authority, administration level, top level, and management is the lower and middle level. Concerned with policy formulation in administrations and policy implementation in management side. Role: decisive in administration, executive in management side. Area of operation: fully controlled over the activities in administration, worked under administration in management. Decides when should be done and what should be done in administration, how will it be done and who will do the work in management. Applicable to government offices, business enterprises, military, religious, hospitals, clubs and educational organization in administration, profit making organization in management. Key person: administrator in administration, manager in a management. Function: determinative and legislative in administration, governing and executive in management. Focus on making a best possible allocation of limited resources in administration, managing work in management. Represents owners who get a return on the capital invested by them, employees who work for remunerations.